Hey everyone! I thought that I would share with you how I fold a fitted sheet for a bed because a lot of people seem very amazed by that. We don't have a ton of fitted sheets in this house. I just have one extra pair for our bed, so we swap them back and forth every week when I switch the bedding. And I thought that I was inspired by Martha Stewart's folding technique for this, but I actually reviewed her videos again, and I do not fold it the same way as Martha Stewart, and I tried to fold it the same way that Martha Stewart does, and I couldn't do it. I couldn't figure it out. So I will show you how I fold fitted sheets, and maybe it will help some of you out. So first you want to make sure you have a large flat surface. I like the dining room table. Also, I will do it on our bed, but if you have a large surface, that's going to make it a lot easier. And with me being pregnant, it's easier to stand over the table because it's higher than it is over our bed. So you want to spread it out so that you can see the corners of the sheet. And then you can start with whichever flat edge you want. But basically, I bring it towards the middle and have them meet. And then pull from underneath so that the underside part of the sheet will be nice and taut to help get wrinkles out. Then the next thing that you're going to do is pull down the sides towards the middle. And now I'm going to just fold it over on itself. Take the end, fold it towards the middle, this end towards the middle, and back over on itself. There you go, folded fitted sheet.